Good afternoon, Lizelle. Please tell me about yourself and your work experience.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Lisel Isla Darsubi. I'm 39 years old. I'm a single mother to a 14-year-old daughter. I'm a college graduate, and my mother is a manager in a catering business, and my father is a retired government employee. I have two brothers and one sister, and I am the eldest among the siblings. My work experience, I worked in Dubai for 6 years as a domestic helper to a couple with baby twins, and my duties are taking care of the twins, do all the household chores, and making dinner for the family. The second one was I worked in Dubai for 2 years, and to a couple with 4-year-old daughter and 3 months old baby boy. My duties are taking care of the kids, making dinner, and do all the household chores. And after that, they moved back to Norway, and I have the opportunity to be with them. So I worked there in Norway for 2 years, and the same duties I had in Dubai.
If you get hired, who will take care of your daughter?
My parents, ma'am.
Do you have someone who will take care of your family if you work abroad?
Yes, ma'am, I do. I have brother and a sister here.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 o'clock and I wake up at around 5 o'clock in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, ma'am.
In 1 week, how many times do you go to market?
Twice a week, ma'am.
How do you describe yourself as a mother?
As a mother, I am very protective to my daughter, and I will do everything to give her good education and a better future for her.
Are you a hands-on mom to your daughter?
Yes, ma'am. I taking care of my daughter when I'm here in the Philippines.
Are you an easygoing mom or a disciplinarian one?
Both, ma'am. I discipline her for her own good. I'll teach her how to do the household chores, and I be the cool mom because I can be friend with her.
Abroad, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I already tested my patience, mom. The kids abroad are, they are my source of income. So I'll just be patient to them and talk to them within polite manner, and yeah.
In your previous work, how do you manage the children? And what are you going to do if the kids are too playful so you can work smoothly?
In my previous employer, I usually wake up early so that I can do the household chores that the kids are still sleeping, and so if ever the kids are awake, I already done something in the household.
How would you describe your previous employer? Did they give you set of rules they like you to do or don't like, or it is up to your style?
My previous employer are very nice. They treated me as their part of their family, and I work in the house with my own style.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing it.
I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be, with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Thank you. Are your teeth natural or false teeth?
It's all natural, ma'am.
Thank you, Lizelle. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.